Good morning. How are you guys doing? So we got a busy day going on today. Today I am going to start the process of reorganizing our laundry room. It's also our storage room. Our basement floods, so all of my decorations and everything have taken over this room. I also filmed a video yesterday about making chicken parmesan, and I need to get all the dishes put away. I need to mop the floor. I had flour all over the place from trying to make pasta. Deep breath. So you're gonna see some mess in this video, and you're also hopefully going to see a good outcome of a cleaner, more organized space. So let's get to work. Let's mark these things off that list. And I'm so thankful that you guys are coming along with me. I appreciate it. Bye for now. Alrighty, so this is the mess that we are dealing with right now in the kitchen. Let's get it all cleaned up and then make our way over into the laundry storage room, get that all tidied up and organized. This is probably gonna take me all day, but it'll feel so good to finally have it done. So, thanks again.
How is your guys' week gone? So far, I have been extremely busy, but it's been highly gratifying. I have been able to reorganize things, get things cleaned up. I've been preserving a lot of food from our garden. Busy, 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 but enjoying every second truly. It's even gratifying watching myself clean in this time lapse.
Okay, so we got the stove all cleaned up. If anybody has any suggestions on how to get this black stuff off, it's not from us. When we first moved here, this was on the stove and I can't get it off. I've tried soft scrub, I've tried it all. So leave me a comment if you know how to get rid of that stuff on the stove. I'd appreciate it. It's ready for a new mess. Let's talk about floors.
I really should invest in a couple other brooms. I'm always having the boys run up and get it or get wherever it is that I've left it, because I kind of have an obsession of sweeping my floor. I sweep it a
Alright,
lot.
so let's tackle this table now. We have some of our pickles that we made in the other video. I have some horseradish that I need to plant and some ginger that's starting to root. And these are potatoes from the store that look like they were on the edge, so I'm using them as seed potatoes and clear up all this mess and then get to mopping. Okay, so next up is my catch-all spot. It's the mantle to the fireplace that's in my kitchen, and it just gets everything. So don't judge, but it will be clean here in a short few seconds for you. And this is the mantle.
What's so silly about this is I do all of this reorganizing on this mantle, and it doesn't even look like this today. I redid the whole thing again.
All right, so we got all of this cleaned up. It might look cluttered to some, but it seems like I have a really big kitchen, but it's not very workable. And since we do rent, I can't really make adjustments to it, but someday property will be just the way I planned, but I'm thankful for right now. Let's talk the truth about hidden spots. So it's not a working fireplace, so I store my dog food, cat food, extra oils, vinegars, stuff like that in here. And after, I don't know how long, so I'm not gonna lie to you, but after a certain amount of time, it gets all over the place in a mess. And so now we're gonna deal with underneath the fireplace.
Look at those shiny floors. Oh, I just love it.
Alrighty, we got the kitchen all cleaned up. Doesn't look too shabby, I think. Looks just good. Good enough. Smells clean, I love it. But there's more. Alrighty, so here's just a little view. It's 11 o'clock and we got it all cleaned up. Floor is all nice and clean. The counter, we got that as organized as we can get it. That's my burn pile. Don't mess with that. Don't bother that. And yeah, so it's clean and ready for a new baking and cooking mess. You know what I mean? All right, you ready to see this? So this is our laundry room / storage room. And it doesn't normally look this bad, but I had tide fall all over my laundry room, which the washer and dryer's in there. I'm gonna prop you guys up on a tripod stand and time lapse this and see how far we can get today. Not sure if I'll get it all done. It's a massive amount of stuff, but this is life. This is real people life stuff right here, okay? Not everyone has everything tip-top shape. Like I told you, here's the Christmas stuff. All right, let's tackle this. Let's get it done. It is a little afternoon. I took about an hour break to have lunch with the boys and just get a little relaxing time before I tackle this. But let's see how far we can get. I still have a few more things on the list that I'd like to check off. I need to pick some flowers for my project to finish another video that I started. But yeah, let's go. Okay, first thing I did is I took everything off the shelf, all those baskets, and then I'm gonna grab all of these blankets that I took out of the wash and just threw on this couch right here, fold them up, stick them up on the shelves, and re-go through all of the baskets. I'm gonna put you on a time lapse for all that. This time lapse is awfully quick. So my new present came in, the hubby. I was so excited he opened it. Isn't it so cute? Okay, so what do I do, babe?
Well, apparently if you want thick slices, these ones are thin, are thin slices down here. So you could put this down here and do thin slices down.
Very cool.
Like you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slices there.
Alrighty. Thanks, babe.
Mm-hmm.
Here's a tried and true debate. How do you fold your towels? Me, a folded towel is a good towel. I don't care which way. What about you?
I called for reinforcements. Teamwork is a dream work, right?
More birthday presents.
Anniversary presents.
Anniversary
too.
presents too.
We celebrated our 15th anniversary on August 11th.
For my bulk. And then the Tabasco chili peppers that we've been growing. Gonna make our own hot sauce for Rob because he loves it.
Alrighty, back to cleanup.
And this is all we got done today. We got all the clothes organized, put on the shelves. Like I said, we're missing some shelves. We need some more, so I ended up having to put some things back over there. But I'm pretty happy with the progress. I did not get to this side of the room, and that's okay because, you know, the clock runs faster than we actually have.